Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this is well, I guess I don't usually do these, so this is an unboxing video. And this one's a little special because I got these from William Robinson, Mr. K7 himself. He's the one who sent me this. And I actually got this hand-delivered. He's a truck driver, happened to be in New England, and instead of shipping, he figured he'd bring them over. So we met, went out to eat, and he gave me a couple boxes. So let's get started. And just so you know, I suck at doing these. So I'm going to cut it open. Let's see what we got. Nice. I got little boxes of everything. I got this. Gotta love these. These things are awesome. And they look good just as they are. Another Volkswagen. Actually, I'm going to move the box because I feel weird. Okay, get this. What else we got? The Beach Boys. I remember him. I think he ended up getting this on an auction. This thing's wicked cool. I got a lot of good ideas for this. Let's see. This I cannot open on camera because it's liquid, and that's as far as I'll go on that. Let's see what else we got. Let's see. Packing peanuts, my favorite. Okay. I got some. He's got a guy. I don't have his card in here, so I'm going to have to do it on another video when I use these. He gets these out of England. It's a trailer with some oil drums and a bunch of other stuff, and it's all 3D printed. It's amazing quality stuff. I've seen some of it. So as soon as I use these, I'll make sure I promote the guy because he does excellent work. And what else we got? And everything's separated because some of it's for projects. What else we got? Mark. Got Stingray. Another Mark. I love these wheels, man. That's what I use on a lot of my projects. Big Time Muscle Nova. Got a 55, which I actually have some projects that involve 55 coming up. And of course, another Mark, because you can never have too many Marks. And then, as you know, I'm trying to whip through this. Oops, there's another one in there. Got the Ghostbusters wagon. Got an AC Cobra. Now that's nice. That's got a good potential for a custom if it wasn't for the yellow windshield, but we can work on that. That's nice. Got T-Bird, which is a kind of a generic model, but it's really cool. And another AC Cobra. So I got some Cobra projects coming up too, so it works out really well. So that's box number one. Put this back in. This box number two is twice the size. Oh. Can't even see it, that's how big it is. And it's taped 8 ways to Sunday. Alright. Push this off to the side. It's packed very well. I had one of these as a kid, and we were talking back and forth. He gave me one, Space Cop. Car's way ahead of its time. I'd totally rock that. Oh wow, a coloring book. Actually, I laugh, but I actually do color, so having something like this is therapeutic, to say the least. That's awesome. Oh, he sent me some Mad Car stuff, and these are for a project. That I know. Jeez, oh man. Wow. Another Volkswagen. A Volkswagen. I do love me some Volkswagens. That is awesome. Another one of these. Another Volkswagen. I'm going to have wheels for days, man. Wheels for days. and enough lifts that I can actually set up a garage. What else we got? Oh, he was talking about this. He knew I was a Dale Earnhardt fan. Earnhardt, senior and junior. I don't have this one. That's cool, especially Matchbox. I'm gonna make sure I tape this up. I don't think I'm gonna. That's something I don't open and play with. Okay. So now, he knows I also like Vans. So I got some Dodge Vans. These are great for customs. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I like custom Vans. These are going to be for a special project. Volkswagen. This one's cool. I like the stance on this one. Packing peanuts, foam, more packing peanuts. Holy moly. 57 Chevy with the flames. Jeep Wrangler, which is cool because these wheels are cool, but this whole platform is really nice. And again, I'm trying to whip through this, but 55 Nomad, which is wicked cool. Scooby-Doo. Oh, this is a good one. This is the Real Riders. You know, I've been dying to do a metal one of these, and this is going to be perfect as soon as I can get that. I might leave Daphne on there because she's kind of hot, but anyways. This one's nice. Drag Camaro. Moon Eyes. This is a good platform. If I can get some good decals, I get an idea for that one. What else we got? Man, dude, you gotta chill out. VW thing. Another VW combi. I'm gonna run out of space here in about 2 minutes. Hotchkiss Camaro. Very similar like the one that I had growing up. Oh. Flat black with the flames. That's staying just as is. I might do a wheel swap. I get some Real Riders that are gold. It's going to look awesome on that. This dude is nuts. Another van with the flames. Again, I wouldn't touch it. I like the way it is. Awesome. I haven't seen this set before. This is a nice set. It's got the Camaro. Oh, no, sorry, that's a Firebird. Firebird, a Mustang. This truck is wicked cool. It's got some potential. You know, I haven't seen this one yet. I'm going to have to spend hours just going through what he gave me because I'm going to forget. Alright. So, now I got more boxes. I got boxes in boxes. So this and all this is all stuff that I know about. It's, you know, it's good to meet your subscribers, you know, and William, he's just an amazing guy. Very generous. Jesus. Sorry for swearing. Holy crap. VW. He said he had a bunch of VWs, but I didn't believe him. His version of VW and mine, or a lot, is different, obviously. Holy crap, dude. I'm going to need to pause the video so I can move everything. Holy crap. Wow. These are so freaking awesome. Jeez, oh man. If I would have known he gave me this much shit, I would have bought him a bigger dinner. We just had pizza. Holy shit. Wow, dude. I gotta pause this because I gotta move everything. This is crazy. Holy shit. Alright, I'm back. 2 more big boxes to go. So now, getting more into the stuff that he wants built. We've got, geez, oh man. We've got a gasser, 55. Yeah, that is cool. That's gonna make it cool. I think this is the pack. Yeah, this is more of a Gaslands pack. Wow. That would be a cool car for that. What else has he got? Oh yeah, Spoiler Sport. The gold one. That's in really good shape. So sorry again if I'm whipping through this, but this wasn't going to turn into a that long of a video, but I got a big video coming out tomorrow with the Opaz movie car challenge. I'm kind of proud of myself. I haven't sliced my finger open yet. That's cool. Oh yeah, it's one of those crash cars. Oh yeah, look at that. Another crash car. That's cool. That's awesome looking. Yeah, I've been dying for one of these. High raker too. I didn't know that. I didn't know these are high rakers. I got a bunch of high rake. Well, it doesn't rake that high yet. I don't want to force it, but those are awesome. I love those. What else we got here? Wow. This is going to turn into like an hour-long video. I should have probably unpacked all this before. Depending upon how energetic I am, I might skip through some of this on my editing. Holy moly. Oh, that is awesome. K&N one. I like the light bar, this, everything about these are just freaking cool. He sent me some more skulls. This is for his Gaslands project that he wants to do. These I know about because we talked about them. Got 2 stage frights. Got this one and this one. And these hold a very special significance for him. His father had given him one, and he carried it around in his pocket up till, God, not too many years ago. So he wants to honor his father, so I'll be doing a special build with one of these, but at the same time I'm going to build one for myself, and they're both going to be kind of wild. I'll do them both in the same video. These are awesome. I got the Evel Knievel one. I don't have this one. Jesus, dude. You are nuts. Nuts, nuts, nuts. He's cool. Rally car project. Let's see, what do we got here? He's probably watching this video laughing his ass off. Probably should have done this in 2 parts, huh? I'm gonna have to stop the video again. Oh, yeah, these are definitely, I know what these are for. These are definitely part of the, yeah. 2 Utes. These are awesome. Yep, I know exactly what those are for. Those all go with that stuff. And I still got another box in here, so if you guys are bored, I understand. I don't do these very often, and I don't usually do anything live because I swear too much. And I probably swore more than I usually do just on this video. But it's an excited swear. Nice Challenger. Or CUDA, I guess you can, depends what version it is. These are nice. Oh yeah. That's awesome. These always look cool as a custom, you know, metal flake and stuff like that. Can't go wrong with a 57. Never go wrong. Another AMX. These are nice. I like these. I did one for somebody. It came out really, really good. Alright, that's everything in there. I'm going to pause the video again. Clean this shit up. Okay, this is the last box. This is for a Mad Max build. I get Tupperware. I got some place to put my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches when I go to work. These look like they're from Ken over at the Gaslands page. A bunch of different wheels. I like this. Very meal prep-ish. Let's see what else we got. More stuff. Get grill guards, bumper. Wow. Jeez, oh man. I definitely needed to buy him a bigger meal. Some armor plating. That's awesome. That's Monday and Tuesday. And the Holy Grail, because he is Mr. K7. Nice. Super van. Can't go wrong with Vans, man. Ever. He just got done swapping wheels on one just like this. That's cool. And of course, a K7. That's in good shape, considering. Ah, okay. Now I see. Now I see. This is going to be the boss car for this, for the Mad Max build. And he's got all the little pieces he wants on it. So I don't have to use any of my stuff. He's got guns and skulls and kitchen sinks and everything. Okay, that's cool. And then another K7, because you can never have... Actually, that one goes... This is the one for the physical Mad Max build. With the... Jeez, oh man. Okay. Yeah, this is the one for the Mad Max build. And he even gave me all the wheels. This is how you send somebody to do stuff. He's got all the wheels and axles and everything in here for it. And you notice it does have the clear cover, but that's going to get painted. I don't know, this one's in really good. They're both in pretty decent shape, but that's going to get Mad Maxed. Man, look at these bases. These things are so clean. So anyways, I've actually gone hoarse talking about all this stuff. Big shout out to Mr. K7, and I can't say enough. I've got to sort through all this, and this is nuts. Dude, I don't know what to say. Thank you. And I've got enough projects here to last me. Kind of takes the fun out of it. I don't have to go shopping. I've got more cars now that I know what to do with. But, dude, thank you. And I hope you guys like this. I promise I won't be doing a lot of unboxing videos, but this one was too good to pass up. So stay tuned tomorrow. I'll be doing the movie car challenge where I'm doing the General Mayhem. If you're watching this 3-4 weeks or a month from now, then just scroll up one video and you'll find it. I will catch you on the next one.